The most advanced stealth drone ever built isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's called Vectus. Designed by Lockheed Martin's legendary Skunk works, this next-gen combat drone takes the raw power of 5th and 6th generation fighters and fuses them into a single autonomous war machine. Forget support roles. Vectus isn't just a loyal wingman. It's a full-fledged fighter platform with brains, stealth, and teeth. Equipped with sensors that mirror the F-35's targeting system, a Delta Lambda wing for radar evasion, and extreme low observability, this drone can vanish from enemy screens while striking with surgical precision. Vectus sits at the high end of America's new drone ecosystem. Cheap, single-use comets swarm the skies. Mid-range platforms like the YFQ-42 are already testing, and Vectus emerges as the crown jewel. Capable of offensive counter-air, ISR, electronic warfare, and ground attack. It's smaller than an F-16, but built to punch way above its weight. Every detail screams stealth, from its dorsal intake to heat-shrouded exhaust, engineered to outfly both enemy jets and surface-to-air defenses. But here's the jaw-dropper. Vectus doesn't physically exist yet. For now, it's been tested only in digital combat, flying alongside simulated F-22s and F-35s. Its first real flight is still 2 years away, yet experts already see it as the blueprint for future air dominance. A drone so advanced, it might redefine what fighter aircraft even means. This isn't evolution, it's revolution. And it's only the beginning. Follow Velojet for more.